Hello learners, myself Roshmi Shetkar, Assistant Professor in Zoology from Ganpat Parsekar College of Education. The name of the course is Apiculture, and today I will start with module number 8, that is Economy and Market of Apiculture. Firstly, let's see the content of this module. So in this module, we will start with an introduction first, then we will do Indian apiculture market, key components of beekeeping market, marketing and sales, government initiatives to promote beekeeping, government schemes for bee farming in India, conclusion, and lastly the references. Introduction. Apiculture, which is also called as beekeeping, is the practice of keeping and managing honeybees for the production of honey and other related products. It is considered as an important agricultural activity. As we all know that bees are very good pollinators and they help in increasing the crop yields. It involves the least time, labor and results in better returns. Altogether, it is regarded as very low cost enterprise. If this beekeeping is managed skillfully, it starts giving profit in the same year. The availability of cheap labor, favorable climatic condition and the diversity of flora and fauna in our country have supported beekeeping activity and its market growth. The development of innovative beekeeping technology such as the use of modern beehives and the expansion of e-commerce platform for the sales of honey and other bee products. All this together have resulted in growing interest among youths in beekeeping as a viable business opportunity. As you all can see in this picture, these are the bee boxes in which bee colonies are being grown. Now let's move to Indian apiculture market. The Indian apiculture market have experienced significant growth and transformation over the years. Such a rise is due to various factors such as increasing awareness of health benefits of honey and other bee products, rising in the demand for natural and organic products. So in recent year, the global population is moving towards healthy lifestyle, where they are mainly focusing on natural products and their benefits. Due to the significant growth in food and beverage industry which uses honey and other products, and lastly due to the recognition of critical role bee plays as a pollinators in maintaining biodiversity and sustaining food production. India is one of the largest honey producer and exporter in the world and plays an important role in the world honey products and its trade. As you can see in the first picture on the left hand side of the slide, which shows the top 5 countries to which Indian honey is being exported, and they are Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Bangladesh, Canada and United States of America. The second picture of map of India show honey production in different states of India. Major honey producing states in the country includes Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Indian apiculture market have attained a value of almost INR 25,760.9 million in the year 2023. The industry is further expected to grow at a CAGR, that is compound annual growth rate of 10.2% over the forecast period of 2024 to 2032 to reach a value of INR 63,474.6 million by 2032. So, it is expected that beekeeping or bee farming market will show an increase of 10.2% in upcoming years. Here in the table format, on one side it is showing report attribute and other column shows key statistics. Report attribute, base year is 2023, forecast years, that is expected years are 2024 to 2032, Indian apiculture market size in 2022 was INR 23,060.5 million. Indian apiculture market size in 2023 was INR 25,760.9 million. Indian apiculture market forecast in 2032 is INR 63,474.6 million, and the Indian apiculture market growth is expected to be 10.2%. And now let's move to the key components of beekeeping market. As we already learned in module number 7 that apart from honey, beekeeping also provides us with other products like bee pollens, royal jelly, propolis, bee venom and bee wax. All these products have their own nutritional value and commercial value. For example, pure royal jelly is being sold for rupees 5,000 per 400 gram. Then propolis, which has medicinal properties like antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, etc., is being offered at rupees 5,400 per kilogram approximately. The growing consumer shift towards Ayurveda is leading to the growth in demand for honey and its product. Now let us discuss different components one by one. All these components has led to the increase in beekeeping market. The first one is honey production. Honey is the primary product derived from beekeeping. It is widely consumed as natural sweetener and it is also used for medical purpose. Currently, honey accounts for the largest market share in apiculture industry in India. Next is bee wax and royal jelly. Bee wax is used in various industries including cosmetics, pharmaceuticals and candle making. Royal jelly, a nutrient-rich substance produced by worker bee, has great potential in improving overall health of a person. Then comes the hive products. Apart from honey, beekeepers may collect and sell other hive products such as propolis. It is a bee glue that bee produce to seal their hives, bee venom and pollens. All these products possesses economic value. Then comes beekeeping equipment. The market also involves the production and sales of beekeeping equipment and tools such as beehives, frames, smokers, protective clothing and extraction devices. Apart from bee product, growing apiculture also provides market space for beekeeping equipments. The picture in the slide shows the different equipments being used in apiculture. Then comes the pollination service. Beekeepers often provide pollination service to farmers, playing a crucial role in boosting crop yield and ensuring successful harvest for a wide range of fruits, vegetables and other crops. Since honeybees are excellent pollinators, beekeepers use this criteria to provide pollination service to agricultural farmers. This in turn increases the crop yield in the agriculture. Here comes the marketing and sales. Now let's see how to improve marketing and sales of honey products. Develop a marketing plan for your honey and other bee related products. Establish relationships with local markets, grocery stores, health food shops and online platforms to sell your honey. Consider adding value by producing products like bee wax candles, pollens or propolis based items. Build your own brand and get engaged in promotional activities to promote customers. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest advancement practices in beekeeping will help you. This can be done through participating in workshops, seminars and beekeeping association. Build networks and connect with experienced beekeepers and industry experts to learn their experiences and seek guidance whenever you are needed. Government initiative to promote beekeeping. Recognizing the significance of beekeeping, Indian government has implemented various schemes and initiatives to support and promote the growth of this sector. These schemes aim to promote scientific beekeeping and enhances honey production and strengthen the marketing infrastructure. It also provides technical support and financial support for the establishment of bee farms, training programs, purpose of beekeeping, government initiatives to promote beekeeping. Recognizing the significance of beekeeping, the Indian government has implemented various schemes and initiatives to support and promote the growth of this sector. These schemes aims to promote scientific beekeeping and enhances honey production and strengthen the marketing infrastructure. It also provides technical support and financial support for the establishment of bee farms, training program, purchase of beekeeping equipments and setting up honey testing labs. It also facilitates the development of honey clusters which ensure market linkage for beekeepers. In short, all these initiatives encourage the beekeepers to magnify and strengthen up their business. Government schemes for bee farming in India. Now here are some schemes which are launched by Indian government in the field of beekeeping. The first one is National Beekeeping and Honey Mission. Second, Honey Mission, which is integrated development of beekeeping in Uttarakhand. Third, National Horticulture Mission. Fourth, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. Fifth, Mahila Kisan Sashaktikarana Pariyojana. Sixth, State Specific Beekeeping Schemes. Seventh, Khadi and Village Industry Commission, which develop several appropriate technologies which are suited for Indian beekeeping. And here comes the conclusion part. With proper dedication, knowledge and proper management, you can establish a successful bee farm that contributes to both environment as well as economic well-being. Here are the references for this module.